Hello, in this tutorial we are starting a new chapter for you together. In this lesson I will try to tell you title of the topic routing. The routing mechanism is very important to us because how can we access the codes we have written by the URL during the trial or when you get off production. And I will try to emphasize the importance of this in terms of SEO. Because browsers like Google are very important for us, so search engines attach great importance to SEO. I want to give an example. Our home/index expression here is France. If you leave it this way, Google won't much matter watch, but let's assume it. Start page. In fact, let's write like this. It will be easier. Start page slash first article for airplane. When you write in this statement called let's assume then we let's go. Google it's a friend to care more about because he will think of it as a meaningful statement. The meaning of meaningful expression is this. He comes here and look at first page it says. This can already be solved it's by itself. By it is solved, the first article writes about an airplane. Therefore, it will bring you up in the search related to the aircraft. But when you type in the home/index, it already understands that there is a bridge to the search engine. And your SEO also say prioritization and throw it into the comeback row, but it's also prioritization them. Or if you pay attention and serious news sites, they can give all your daily news anyway, even in sports news. The routing mechanism is very important for us to catch them from SEO just to get trends. In other words, if you need to summarize the route structure again, we can say that the SEO conflict in the home is mainly used in the page call and during the action communication with control, namely the expression in the control and look for it or project. After calling, the action goes to us the use control and searches for that action whichever action name we call. In other words, in routing config, we are making a website that's in open to outside. It's important for us to establish a regular link structure friends. Keep in mind, drawing a little more, if I have to summarize, I open this painting. We can say that friends have a request that come to us first. Then let's do it this way. I say in text again, come, sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, then I come here and say parse URL. Of course, it was a bit big. Let's make 18. Let's set it like this again. First, we come to a parse URL, so a request come in this middle where parse URL is being done. Moving on, I am taking out one more. I continue. One more. Parse URL is after that. Here's how our pairing is carried out according to your local machine. Excuse me. A matching is carried out according to our local machine, and then there's this front. Look, this time it's going to be like this. One thing I came back to was let's draw a triangle here. Let's take it this way because okay, I'm driving one more guys like this. If he doesn't find it. Do you know what's going to come to us? What is the value as you always see on sites? What is this? HTTP returns 400 and 4 errors if it does not find it. So if it is so what about? If it's find it, what value will it run to us again? Let's move on. If you have France routes the process that is necessary for us, let's draw again. Yes. If you have as root is, sorry. So I can say that it will run the root France or request is coming. It converts to its URL. After converting, the local machine turns it into root. If he doesn't find it after flipping it, France spin 404, and if he finds it, he runs the root. We can say so our program already gives the basic definition in CS. The concept of root must be kept in mind. That's how .NET 6 is done. Of course, .NET was a little bit different from 5th. Now we have talked about the concept of roots is. In our next lesson, I am going to talk about the default root and root restriction France 2 in 1. Because I told about the concept of roots that is assumed in this lesson, so that we have it in mind. Let's see you in the next lesson.